What if I told you the real reason most people in America struggle with money isn't because they don't earn enough, but because their money disappears before they even notice? Yeah, the problem isn't income, it's how we budget. Think about it. One Starbucks run here, a late-night DoorDash order there, a random Amazon cart, checkout. Before you know it, half your paycheck is gone, and payday feels like a pit stop, not a launch pad. But here's the good news. In 2025, you've got tools, strategies, and tech that make budgeting like a pro easier than ever. Let's be real. Budgeting sounds boring, but it's actually freedom with a plan. Budgeting isn't about restricting your life. It's about giving every dollar a job, so your future self doesn't stress over bills. Here's how the pros are doing it in 2025. Step 1. Know exactly where your money goes. Most people guess. Pros track. If you don't measure it, you can't control it. Start by listing every recurring cost: rent, groceries, subscriptions, gas, gym. Then track those sneaky habits, the 10 snacks and $20 impulse buys that quietly bleed your wallet. You can't fix what you can't see. Step 2. Automate everything you can. This is the biggest game changer. Budgeting in 2025 isn't about Excel sheets. It's about apps that think ahead for you. Apps like YNAB, Copilot, or Monarch can automatically categorize spending, send alerts, and even set spending limits that keep you on track without stressing you out. The less you rely on willpower, the more consistent you'll be. Step 3. Pay yourself first. Millionaires do it. Smart budgeters do it. Before you pay bills, put a set amount into savings or investments, even if it's just $50 a week. The amount matters less than the habit. Think of it as paying your future self. Step 4. Use the 50-30-20 rule, or tweak it to fit your life. 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for saving or investing. It's simple, flexible, and in 2025, it works because everything's trackable in real time. No more guessing. No more, where did my money go? Step 5. Build a fun fund. Budgeting isn't about becoming a robot. It's about creating balance. Set aside money for guilt-free spending. Travel, a night out, something that makes you feel alive. The best budget is one you can actually stick to. Imagine this. Instead of stressing over every bill, you wake up knowing exactly where your money's going. No guilt, no panic, just clarity. You can finally plan that trip, build that emergency fund, or invest in something that matters. And yeah, you'll hit bumps. You might overspend some months. But here's the secret. Pros adjust, they don't quit. Budgeting isn't perfection, it's progress. So today, take control. Track where your money flows. Automate what you can. Pay yourself first. Create a budget that works for you, not against you. If this fired you up, hit that like button, drop A in the comments, and subscribe for more smart money moves every week. 2025 is the year you stop surviving with your paycheck and start owning it. Let's make it happen.